Hello, hello, hello. The second weekend of January every year, we organize an NCS Neurochange Solutions training in a magical place in the middle of Ireland. This training is delivered by Daksha Patel. You can see her in the photograph with the purple cardigan. And she is one of Dr. Joe Dispenza's top trainers. The way I see the training is that it's been designed for nearly everybody, or no, everybody. For any person who wishes to bring their life to the next level and is new to personal development, whether they belong to the corporate world or not. It's also applicable to anyone who is on their journey and is new to Dr. Dispenza's world. Also applicable to Dr. Joe's students, and as well to those advanced students of his work who would like to become NCS trainers themselves. Now I would like to share with you what Eddie has said about this training. Let me just go there and get it for you. Eddie, what do you have to say about this training during this weekend, NCS training?
It's a great weekend. It's calm, it's controlled, it's very pragmatic. The work that you do over the weekend, you will definitely be able to use ad infinitum, and you'll learn an awful lot, especially if you've done any type of meditation before. So highly valuable weekend to spend here.
Thank you very much. If you wish to be part of the next group, of the next event that we organize, please let us know and drop an email to Anna, A-N-A, just one N, A-N-A, at TICN.ie. I'll say it again, A-N-A at TICN.ie. Thank you very much.